Hello and welcome back to English Practice Beginners, your space to listen, repeat, shadow, and practice English at a slow and natural pace. I'm very happy you're here. Today, we are going to learn how to talk about your daily routine in English. We will use simple, clear sentences. We will repeat, shadow, and practice speaking together. By the end of this episode, you will be able to describe your day confidently, using real English. Don't worry about mistakes. Every small effort helps you improve. Learning English is about trying every day and enjoying the process. Let's start with the morning. The morning is a very important part of the day. It gives you energy and sets the mood for everything. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I take a deep breath and stretch my arms. Now repeat after me slowly. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Sometimes I wake up earlier, around 6:30, if I have many things to do. Now you try. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. when I have many tasks. After getting out of bed, I walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth carefully for 2 minutes. Repeat slowly. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. Then I wash my face with cold water. Cold water helps me feel awake. Sometimes I take a quick shower. While I shower, I like to play soft music or listen to English audio. It makes me feel calm and ready. Next, breakfast. Breakfast is important. I often eat toast with butter and a boiled egg. I drink a cup of tea. Sometimes I have cereal with milk or a banana. Mini dialogue. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat toast and tea. Repeat after me. Notice the words. Breakfast, toast, tea, egg. Try using them in your own sentences. Breakfast gives energy for the day. After breakfast, I prepare my bag for work or school. I put my notebook, pen, and water bottle inside. I check my phone for messages and emails. Mini dialogue. Do you have your bag ready? Yes, I have my bag and notebook. Repeat slowly. Today, I will walk to the bus stop. Walking is healthy and gives fresh air. Shadow this sentence. I walk to the bus stop every morning. Walking, fresh air, healthy, these are useful words. In the afternoon, I usually work or study. I have meetings or lessons. Mini dialogue. What are you doing this afternoon? I am studying English and answering emails. Try saying slowly. After lunch, I take a short break. I drink water and sometimes have a biscuit. I relax for 10 minutes. Repeat. I take a short break and have a biscuit. Break, relax, water, biscuit. Remember these words. Now, evening. I come home at 6 p.m. I take off my shoes and rest for a few minutes. I cook dinner or order food if I feel tired. Mini dialogue. What are you doing for dinner? I am cooking pasta and vegetables. Repeat slowly. After dinner, I wash the dishes and sometimes go for a short walk. Walking in the evening helps me feel calm. Shadow this sentence. I go for a short walk in the evening. Calm, walk, dinner. Use these words in your sentences. Before bed, I read a book or listened to soft music. I brush my teeth and prepare my clothes for the next day. I usually go to bed at 10:30 p.m. Mini dialogue. Are you ready for bed? Yes, I am ready and I feel relaxed. Repeat slowly. Relaxed, book, music, brush. These are useful words for your daily routine. Reflect on your day and think, what did I do today? What did I learn? Try saying, today I practiced English and I feel happy. Let's summarize some key sentences. I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast and drink tea. I walk to the bus stop. I work and study in the afternoon. I cook dinner and go for a walk. I read a book before bed. Repeat these sentences slowly. Use them to describe your own daily routine. Speaking in English every day builds confidence. Now, your task. Spend 5 to 10 minutes today describing your day in English. Speak slowly, shadow yourself, And try to use new words like breakfast, biscuit, walk, calm, relax, and music. Record your sentences and listen back. Keep practicing daily. Soon, you will speak naturally without translating in your head. Thank you for listening today. I hope you enjoyed practicing daily routine English sentences, slow listening and speaking practice, A1 to A2. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and believe in your English journey.